Here are 10 Dollar Tree hidden gems you should buy now that are going to beat Amazon all the time. Let's go shopping. In our number 10 spot, check out these really cool plant clips that come in a variety of sizes, but we're not going to use them essentially for plant clips. You certainly could, but I have some alternative ideas for you. An excellent curtain tie back. A great way to keep your garbage can liners in place. Disorganized cords, no more. In our number 9 spot is our balloon pump. Never ever waste your breath and energy on blowing up a balloon again. You certainly can get an electric balloon pump. I love the one from Amazon. I will link that in the description box below. But for just $1.25, your balloons will be blown up with much more ease than you anticipated. It's especially great if you don't want this flavor all over your mouth, pretty nasty. Now there's a trick when you use these Dollar Tree balloon pumps. Make sure that you have a nice tight seal at the base, and you need to pump very quickly at the beginning, and then you can slow it down. I actually had to watch several YouTube videos on this myself because I'm like, what the heck? Beautiful. Now, if you just try to go slowly in the beginning at all one pace, it won't blow up. Let me show you. It does work really well when you use it effectively, so let me just show you one more time. Grip it tight quickly. Now you can blow up a heck of a lot more balloons. In our number 8 spot is this beautiful tablecloth. Dollar Tree sells a variety of colors. You certainly could use this for a tablecloth, but I have an alternative idea for you that's going to come in handy and save you some headache and heartache. Play around with this until you get it to your liking. You could add some bows to this, but anytime you need to wrap a really odd shaped large item, use an excellent Dollar Tree tablecloth. You can make a really cute bow just using a few extra rubber bands. This is also a lot more durable than wrapping paper, especially if you have pointy edges or hard places that would poke through the wrapping paper. Dollar Tree also sells some really beautiful bows, so stock up so that you have them on hand whenever you need them. In our number 7 spot, when it comes to hidden gems at the Dollar Tree, check out this cutlery drawer. You certainly could use this in your drawer for your spoons, your forks, and your knives. However, I like to use it in a better spot in my house that matches the decor a little bit better. I prefer this when it comes to my silverware drawer, but look down here. You can see I actually have a pool noodle that I just cut in half to keep the drawer from sliding, and then I can hide a few items back here. But this is what I prefer in my bathroom. It helps my kids keep all of their toothbrush items in place. Now, I did not use a pool noodle to keep this one from sliding around, but in just a second I'll show you what I did use that works great. In our number 6 spot, if you haven't already, you definitely need to try out this tape. Amazon sells some tape called Easy Tape. I own it, but if you want something a bit smaller, because the Easy Tape on Amazon, there is a lot to it. I don't know if I'll ever make my way through it. Get yours at the dollar store. I like to use this to keep my rugs down, but you could also use this for a variety of different things within your home. And the price point at the Dollar Tree cannot be beat. Beats Amazon, that's for sure. This is our mudroom rug, and this end always likes to lift up. But not anymore. Just stick a little bit of that down and it will keep your rugs in place. I've also used this in my kitchen to keep my rug in place. In our number 5 spot, we're gonna head over to the craft section at the dollar store. This pencil container. I found this near the bottom shelf. I almost missed it. Not only can this hold your pencils, but it can hold a variety of your beautiful gems. If you needed to put something in there for travel, if you needed it in your backpack, if you needed it in your kitchen, you can put anything in there that you want to keep its shape. Great for in the car if you want to take these to a restaurant. As you can see, all your skewers and barbecuing things are together, and this is adjustable to whatever size that you need. Also has a great handle. Coming in our number 4 spot is this craft scraper. Yes, you certainly could use this for all things crafty and DIY, but I like to use it for something else. Goo Gone works the best. You can also get this from the Dollar Tree. Let that sit for a few minutes. The key is to get under the scraper. You can see right here how well this actually works. In our number 3 spot is this Wi-Fi sign. My mom recently bought one of these Wi-Fi signs, but not from the Dollar Tree. For $1.25, this is a heck yes in my book. As you can see here on Amazon, these Wi-Fi signs are much more pricey than these beautiful Dollar Tree options. So save those dollars and grab your Wi-Fi sign from your local Dollar Tree. Coming in at number 2 is this water bottle and snack holder. Now you don't have to put water in it. You could put anything flavored in there that you like, but this comes in especially handy when you are in your car, when you are on the go. Maybe you want it at your office desk because you're going to be in meetings all day and you don't have a chance to get up. I love this great combination. So handy. Less dishes to watch, which is a thumbs up in my book. And our number 1 spot is this dog treat container. Now, yes, you can use it for your dog treats. That is super cool. Put it in your car, put it in your pantry, put it wherever you house those items, but I like to use it for something alternative. I love the yummy writing on the side. And a couple of bonus items for you. I recently bought one of these plant watering bulbs. I didn't know exactly what it was when I first saw it at the Dollar Tree. I had seen them around, but I didn't know how to use it. This has been a game changer for me. Typically, if I would leave for a couple of days, I have a particular plant that would wilt and die and become very sad and lonely, but not anymore. She now has a full-time babysitter thanks to this beautiful Dollar Tree gem. Our second bonus here, because I love all things cleaning, thumbs up for that one, spray dish cleaner. Now don't get me wrong, I do love the Dawn Power Wash. However, when I can get something for $1.25 that works almost equally as good, I say a heck yes to that one. For tough, burnt-on grease, let that sit for a minimum of 2 minutes. Our third bonus item for you, let's talk about toilets, shall we? This wouldn't be a cleaning video if we did not. Poo spray. This can get real pricey on Amazon, upwards of $10 or more. But for just $1.25, you have lavender, you have vanilla goodness in your toilet. Just spray a couple of sprays or more, depending upon what's about to happen. Mum's the word on that one. And do the thing that you need to do. This will also make your guests feel more comfortable within your home. You could use this for a gag gift. You could use this for a housewarming gift. You could just put it in your purse if you're on a hot date and, well, you know, duty calls. And our last bonus item is this back scratcher. You typically can find these at your checkout at your local Dollar Tree. On Amazon, these are much more expensive. Why waste your precious dollar on the Amazon version when you can get your very own at the Dollar Tree? The best part about this, it's extendable. I like to use it for my back, grabbing things between the car seats and in the laundry room. Let me show you how. Haha, well hello Ariel. And the classic sock or something disgusting falling behind your dryer. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.